In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a timer in Canva. Creating a countdown timer usually means writing custom HTML and testing it line by line. But Canva makes this easy by generating the code for you right inside the editor. I'll walk you through the exact flow so you can get a clean, simple 5-minute timer into your design without touching a single bracket of code. Start by opening the project you want to add the timer to. This could be a presentation, a video, or any design you're already working on. Once you're in the editor, look over to the sidebar and click on Elements. This is where you'll normally search for graphics and shapes, and it's also where Canva's code generator lives. Right under the Elements search field, you'll see a Generate button. Click the small arrow next to it to reveal more options, then choose Generate Code. This tells Canva you want it to produce a working snippet you can drop straight into your design rather than a static element. Now you'll see a search field where you can describe exactly what you want. Type something clear and direct like, make a simple 5-minute timer with a simple aesthetic. You can keep it short. The key is to specify the duration and the style. When you're happy with the description, hit Generate Code. Give it a moment while Canva builds the timer for you. Behind the scenes, it's creating the HTML, CSS, and any necessary scripting so the countdown actually runs. You don't need to tweak anything here, just wait for it to finish. If it takes a few seconds, that's normal, especially on larger projects or a slower connection. Once the code is ready, Canva will present the generated element and you can click to add it directly to your design. That's it. The timer will be placed on your canvas as an interactive piece, ready to display the countdown during your presentation or video. A couple of quick tips as you do this. If you want a different length or vibe, adjust your prompt before generating, mention the duration, the mood, or even a minimalist or bold look. If the first result isn't quite right, you can regenerate with a slightly clearer description. And remember, simple language usually produces the cleanest results. To recap, open your project, go to Elements, expand Generate, choose Generate Code, describe your 5-minute timer, generate, then click to add it. You've just built a working timer in Canva without writing any code.